Good morning, dragonflies. Look what Coda found when he was out today for his walk. He's found a really interesting tree. Have a look. What's different about this tree is the trunk. Can you notice anything? Usually we look at chunks of trees and think they're brown. We usually colour them brown if we're drawing them. But this tree isn't brown at all. This tree is actually white on the trunk. It's a grey white, and it looks like it's a bit like an elephant's trunk from here. Not a tree at all. Amazing things when you're out and about, things that you see. What have you seen? What have you found when you're at home today, or when you've been out on your walk? Send me a blog, let me know.